Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you what the basic controls for the Tekken 3 game on your PC is. So let's get started right away. Now, when you open up the Tekken 3 game for the first time using your web browser, after the game has finished downloading, you will see various different options at the bottom left. Now, while the default controls are simply your arrow keys to move around, and the buttons A, S, Z, and X within your keyboard for attacks, you can also find other controls by clicking on the control settings at the bottom section, and you will now see all of the key mappings that have been done for each player. You can simply click on any button that you wish to change, and then tap on the button that you wish to set this as. Finally, tap on the update button, and you will now be able to use your own desired controls. And there you have it. That is how you can find out the basic controls within the Tekken 3 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.